This video will cover introduction to the properties of addition, and this is a real number property. So it's a property that works for all real numbers. So let's take a look at the three we're going to examine today. So first we have our identity property. If we let a represent any number, then it's going to be always true that a plus 0 equals a and 0 plus a equals a. We call a the additive identity, meaning it doesn't change the identity of a number, it leaves it by itself. So for example, if I had 7 plus 0, that would be 7. 0 plus 6, that would be 6, right? Our numbers remain unchanged. Next, we have the commutative property of addition. So I would say if a and b are any two numbers, then it's always true that a plus b equals b plus a. Again, we're just looking at properties of addition right now. i.e., so what that really means is that changing the order of our numbers doesn't change the sum. It doesn't change what they add up to. So for example, 2 plus 3, well, that's 5. That's the same as 3 plus 2, which is also 5. I really need to work on my 5s so they don't look so much like S's. Okay. And the third property we're talking about is the associative property. So if I have A, B, and C represent any three numbers, any three real numbers, again, we're working in the real number line in the real world, then A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C, i.e. changing the grouping of the numbers isn't going to change the sum either, right? Because we need to use PEMDAS and all those things, but changing the order of the way they are grouped isn't going to change our answer. So for example, if I had 1 plus 2 plus 3, well, we say 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And if I had 1 plus 2 plus 3, well, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. See, changing the way these numbers were grouped didn't change the sum. So let's, in this next few examples, identify the properties that we've used. So if I have 0 plus 6 is 6, that's an example of the identity property. If I have negative 4 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus negative 4, that's the commutative property. And for example 3, if I have 5 plus 6 plus 1 grouped together and 5 plus 6 grouped together plus 1, that's going to give me the same sum, and that's the associative property.